Hello, this is Lois Threlkeld, and I'm with the Ladies of Justice League. We are sharing with you today our 7th real estate investment strategy. That would be real estate investment trusts. Great way, especially if you're beginning in real estate. It's a great strategy. So here's an explanation for you.
What is a real estate REIT? R-E-I-T. So, REITs stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Imagine this. You're part of a big club of people who really love real estate but want to invest without owning entire properties. That's what a REIT is. R-E-I-T, Real Estate Investment Trust. It's a special kind of club where people pool their money together to invest in real estate together. So here's how it works. Number one, it's about group investment. So instead of buying a whole property, you and lots of other folks each contribute money to the REIT. It's like a teamwork thing. Number two, the real estate magic. The REIT takes all this money and uses it to buy different types of real estate, like apartments, malls, office buildings, and even hotels. Number three, it's income and dividends. So when the REIT makes money from renting or selling these properties, they share the profits with you. It's like getting a piece of the real estate pie. Number four, easy peasy. So you get to enjoy the benefits of real estate investing, the income, the potential growth, without having to worry about managing properties yourself. The REIT pros take care of all of that stuff. Number five, it's tradable. So some REITs are traded on stock exchanges just like regular company stocks. This means you can easily buy or sell the REIT shares if you want to. So number six, different flavors. There are different types of REITs, like ones that focus on specific types of properties, like shopping centers or apartments, or ones that invest in different countries. So you can choose the flavor that suits your investment goals. So, in a nutshell, REITs are like a way to team up with others, invest in real estate without all the landlord work, and potentially earn money from rent and property value changes, hopefully going up. Just like joining a fun club where you get to be a real estate investor without the DIY headaches. Remember, though, that investments always have risks. So it's a good idea to chat with your law firm or someone knowledgeable about the law before you join a REIT party. This is Lois Threlkeld. Make sure to visit ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and happy investing.
All right. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you share this with other people. Hit the like button and make sure you put a comment in there. Love to talk with you, see what questions you might have. I'm Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Take care.